Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been consistent on the channel, I believe that you will agree with me that I said at a certain point that I'll be coming up with some side hustle that you can do in the UK, and this is what this video is just all about. So if this is your first time on the channel, welcome to the channel. So what we do before we get into the video is we give the video a hunger strike and we hit the red subscribe button. And for those that have not yet subscribed, I think you might just use this time to hit the red subscribe button. So guys, let's get into this video. So the first thing that I want to impress on your mind is that, do you know the top 5 biggest companies in the world? Okay, maybe you don't get it. Okay, do you know how much Amazon made during the COVID-19 pandemic? Okay, you still don't get it. Now, do you know that you can set up your own Amazon shop? You can start a new business, you can work from home, however you want to put it, all from the comfort of just your bedroom, you understand? Okay, in the simplest form, you can sell on Amazon and make money without even having a product. Yes, without even having a product. Okay, let me break it down. Every month, over 197 million people get on their device to visit Amazon to buy something. You need to play along with where I would say the big guys are playing. So that is why you need to be part of this hustle. So how does this work? This is called Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. This is when the term online arbitrage comes in. That is finding cheap products online and selling them for more money somewhere else, probably Amazon. That's just the strategy behind this. So you buy a cheap product somewhere online or in a store, or probably something that you made with your own hands. You send them to Amazon. Amazon puts it on their site. Someone buys the products, they do the packaging and the delivery, and they send it to the person. Then they calculate your commission and pays you. Simple. I think in the real sense I can end the video here because I believe that I have unleashed everything to you. So that's just a simple strategy. But that sounds stupid. You going to different shops looking for cheap product to buy, walking around from shop to shop looking for where to buy cheap product, and going online to compare it with Amazon price. And secondly, going to different websites looking for where to get cheap product. You might spend a whole day, sometimes weeks, before you can get all these cheap products to sell on Amazon. So this is where I'm going to introduce you to this powerful tool called Profitl. So this is a powerful app that you can use to access all these cheap deals, and I think I'm going to jump on the computer because there are a lot of things that I need to explain to you. So guys, like I said, this is a very powerful tool that you can use to have access to all these online store and find cheap product online. So I'll put the link in the description box so that you can just go and check it out. So I'm just going to run through a review and just to enlighten you on what I would call the key feature of this powerful tool. So the first one is that the tool helps you to find a product. So if you go on the app, you discover that there are a whole lot of products that you want to buy or sell. So the app will help you to locate all these products, to know what is marketable, you understand, to know a lot of stuff that you can buy and sell on Amazon, and probably to know most of the products that are doing well, because it's not just any product that you just want to buy and sell. You need to find a product that you'll be able to make a reasonable income with. So this is one thing that the app will really help you to do. You'll be able to find a whole lot of product, and you can go to Amazon to compare the product. So aside from finding the product, you'll be able to compare the prices, and automatically you'll just know how much that you can make from this particular product. The application will save you the time of going to a shop or going online to look for all these products. You just find everything on the site. So the second point is that this app will help you to analyze the product. So there's this number that Amazon has, which is called ASIN number, ASIN, and it stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number. So it's just a unique identifier number. Alright guys, so let's just be a bit realistic here. So I'm just gonna show you the way it works. So let's quickly go to Amazon, and I found this product right here. mobile phone Blackview A80 Plus. So I will just go down and pick the ASIN number of this product. Here we have it. You can see the ASIN number here. I will just copy this number and we go back to the application. So this is the Profitl app. This is where you put the ASIN number. So on Amazon, you can see that this product is £139. So I'm just gonna assume I can pick this phone for £100 on a retail shop or anywhere, you know what I mean. So I'll come back here. Probably I get this product for £100, and so the SC number is for Amazon, and this is the price that I can get this phone. I'll just hit calculate and let's see. So you can see the phone right here. So this is the sales that Amazon has for this product. It's not really a popular product, as you can see. And this is the price that we saw on Amazon. So let's come down. So right here you can see estimated FBA fee. This is what Amazon will take for this product. You can see the estimated referral fee and the VAT of this product, which is £4.80. Then they tell you that the break-even point is £128 for this product. The most important thing is the estimated profit per unit. So automatically, if I can get this product for £100, if Amazon take all the charges, this is what I will go on with: £11.17. So if I can sell, let's say 100 of these in a month or in a day or in a week, depending, you can automatically calculate how much that I'll be making just from selling just one of these products. Just look at it and compare. If I have like 2 to 3 products that I'm selling on Amazon, you know how much I'll be making at the end of the month. So the apps just kind of break down everything for you so that you can see everything for yourself. You automatically know how much you're gonna make for each product before you even get into the business, you know what I mean? So I think this tool will help you to eliminate the risks that a lot of people make when they try to get into business. Like for instance, you're buying something and you don't really know how much you are going to sell it, and you don't really know if you'll be able to sell that product. But this is a bit simple. You can understand the product that you want to go in for. You can calculate your profit and know how much you're going to make at the end of the day. And you can as well divert your research to Amazon where you're going to sell this product to know if it's a competitive product. So with the tool, you'll be able to see everything for yourself. So you can look for a wide range of products on most of these online store. There are a lot of them, and I have some of the list here: 360 Games, Aldi, Asda, Boots, Curry, Debenham, elc.co.uk, eBay. So let's just assume you go on eBay and you buy just one product. You find one product that you know that you can sell and understand the product. You just buy this particular product on a large scale, and you just come over to Amazon and sell them on a retail. I think you're gonna make a whole lot of money. There are a lot of them: IKEA, John Lewis, Shop Lego, Ocado. There are a lot of them. So another key feature of this app is that it has a scan feature. So if you download this app on your iOS or Android device, you can pop into any supermarket and you can use the scan feature to scan any product in the supermarket, and you'll be able to see the difference, how much is selling on Amazon, and you can compare the price in the shop as well. So the tool also has a browser extension. So if you can install the browser extension on your device, it will take you just seconds to find hidden products. So guys, my take home for this app is the feature that is called the Deal Finder. So the Deal Finder is just like an Excel spreadsheet where it's being updated every 2 weeks. It's just a way of keeping you updated on the latest product at that particular time. On the Deal Finder, you can find the supplier, you can find the product name, you can find the link of a particular product on Amazon, And you can find the ASIN number as well. You can find the purchase price, and you can find the actual Amazon price. And lastly, the sales rank. So I think this is where my advice comes in. You don't really need to go for a product that is really popular in Amazon. Like I say, you don't really need to go for a product that is competitive. You don't need to go for a product that Amazon have a lot of them in stock. You can just stick to one product that you can study the market, you can understand where to buy them at a very cheap rate. You don't really need to be in competition with anybody or the third-party sellers that have been in Amazon for a very long time. So guys, that is it for the video. I think I've been dishing a lot of information on the channel, and I cannot find something like this and hide from you guys. I think this is just a powerful tool that you can use to make some extra bucks, you understand? I know we have been doing a lot of university videos or visa videos coming to the UK and all that, but come on, moreover, you go to the university to make money, you're coming to the UK still to make money. So I might make a video on how to register for the Amazon FBA program, but I don't know if that is what you would struggle with. If you need such a video, let me know in the comment section and I might consider it. Yeah, so if you like the video, like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, share the video, because you are not the only one that wants to make money. Like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.